Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to change the font style of the typing style of the keyboard. So I'll try my best to explain you step by step all the things. So let's get started. So look at the keyboard and follow all the steps. If you miss any step, then you can't be able to type a font style of keyboard. So let's get started. Okay, you have to type this, and this is a cut form, and then you say again, you type again hey, and open this too, and pick out the minus sign, not this one, minus sign, and here are the final result. And I have one more. You have to again say hello star, okay, star in first and end, okay, not in beginning. Okay, so dark form, and I have one more step. Okay, I have one more step to tell you about typing font style. Yeah, say hello and paste this text. Okay, now there are many much options. Bold, okay, again say hello, then copy and italic form, and again say type hello, and then you have to again paste it and structure, and again type something which you want, and again paste it, and monospace is the best one. Okay, so yeah, this is all the steps that I have tell you. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, make sure you all to deliver like and subscribe. So basically I have tell you two forms to type your messages in font style without using any app. So you have two options, but they are same. If you want any to type, then type, it really works. And yeah, again like and subscribe my channel, and I'm see you in the next video. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.